For one single second, you are still there. Some other world, some other version of your life, vivid and strange and absolutely real. Then it's gone. You reach for it and it dissolves like smoke in your hand. Every single morning this happens to you, and you have probably just accepted it as a quirk of being human. But the real answer is far stranger than you think. Your brain is not forgetting your dreams by accident. It is erasing them on purpose. And the reason why will make you question everything you think you know about sleep, memory, and the mind you carry around every day. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Dreaming is not passive. It is one of the most metabolically intense things your brain does. Every night, for roughly 2 hours total, your brain ignites into a state that scientists call REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During REM, your brain is almost as active as when you are fully awake. Almost. But there is one specific chemical that is almost completely switched off during this time. And that chemical is the reason you cannot hold on to what you experience. Here's the question that will haunt you until the end of this video. Why would your brain work so hard to create something and then immediately destroy the memory of it? To understand what is happening, you need to meet a neuroscientist named Matthew Walker. He runs the Center for Human Sleep Science at UC Berkeley. Walker has spent decades studying what sleep does to the brain. His conclusion is unsettling. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is surgery. Every night, your brain performs a precise operation on the memories you made during the day. It decides what to keep, it decides what to discard, and it decides how to rewire the connections between them. You are not sleeping. Your brain is editing you. Here's what you were never told about your dreams. The forgetting is not a flaw. It is the feature. During REM sleep, a chemical called norepinephrine drops to almost zero. Norepinephrine is one of the key chemicals your brain uses to encode memories, to stamp an experience as real and worth keeping. Without it, experiences flow through your brain like water through a net. They leave no trace. Researcher Christoph Niesen at the University of Freiburg showed that when you briefly suppress norepinephrine in awake subjects, their ability to form new memories collapses almost instantly. Your dreaming brain is running on a chemical setting that makes memory formation nearly impossible by design. But why? Why would evolution build a brain that works so hard during sleep and then chemically blocks itself from remembering what it did? This is where it gets genuinely strange. One leading theory comes from researcher Francis Crick. Yes, that Francis Crick, co-discoverer of DNA. Late in his career, Crick turned his attention to dreams. He proposed something radical. He called it the reverse learning hypothesis. The idea is this: your brain accumulates parasitic thoughts during the day, useless associations, noise, junk data that clogs the neural network. Dreaming, according to Crick, is your brain running a cleanup program, flushing out the garbage. And if you remembered the garbage, you would just be reloading it back in. The forgetting is the whole point. Here is the part that nobody talks about. You actually dream more than you think. A 2002 study from the Journal of Sleep Research found that people who claimed they never dream were still spending the same amount of time in REM sleep as everyone else. They were dreaming. They just had absolutely no memory of it upon waking. Think about that. Every single night of your life, you have been experiencing a parallel reality for roughly 2 hours. And for most of those nights, you woke up with nothing. Zero. Not because the dreams were not there, because your brain considered the memory of them unnecessary. It is the most extreme editing decision your mind makes every single day. So when the memories it reorganized, the invisible repairs it made while you were completely unconscious, you will probably still forget it. That is fine. That is the plan. But now you know what was happening in there. And the next time you wake up and that strange world dissolves, you will know your brain was not wasting time. It was taking care of you. Just like it always has. Just like it did this morning.